Nick Watson here at Joseph Motors. We're going to add another vehicle to the YouTube page. This is a 2020 Chevy 3500 single rear wheel box truck. This is a Rockport edition. This is a FedEx package edition, but without the 360 camera. So we're going to go over some high points on this and stuff like that. Really cool truck. It's got really good miles on it. I just forgot the miles, and that's my fault. 56,000 miles. So really nice truck. It's got Firestone tires wrapped all the way around on it. They are 10 ply Transforces that are on it. This is a cargo Rockport version. Does have rear backup camera, cruise control, little plain Jane, but that's how you want it. Less stuff to break. Does have a nice shelvings package that's in it. Does have a door pass-through that's in it as well. What I really like here is this curbside access door. Easy in and out. It's going to have the see-through lighting in the back there for daytime lighting, so you don't turn the lights on. It does have LED lighting in it too for when it's at night. But the really cool thing is, Johnny, let's get these. Let's show these two off these real quick. Is these shelves that they've got when they come up, fold down. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 total. So that's a really cool feature. To any of you guys out there that are doing deliveries and stuff like that. But if you got any questions on this unit, this 2020 cream puff that we've got, for all you FedEx delivery guys, Ritz Cracker guys, any kind of delivery people that are out there, Johnny's on the other side of the phone. I'm Nick. This is Joseph Motors. Please hit us up at 919-661-2886. That's going to be the phone number. You can hit us up at the website at josephmotorsnc.com. We look forward to hearing from you. Have a great day.